Okay, we all know 3 different types of filleting. The first one is the automatic filleting, when you select the edge and press BD for filleting right away. That's the most basic one. The second filleting method is running the bridge surface command. So therefore, let's look for bridge surface. Let's go a little bit into the detail. Select the first surface and then the neighboring one. Let plasticity do its job. And boom, you have your fillet. That's the second method. And if those two don't work for whatever reason, it happens quite often, then you still have the opportunity to surface with the piping technique, which is this one. So you select the edge, press P for pipe. So you press B for new body, for creating a new solid out of the pipe you are about to create. And you run a difference boolean for cutting a hole in the edge where you want to create a fillet. Select the solid, so in this case the leaf, Q, then select the tool, which is the pipe, press OK, and you are still not ready to fillet because you first have to delete all these surfaces which were created by the difference boolean. And here is where my tip comes in. Before doing this, before running the difference boolean for cutting the pipe into the solid, let me go back one step. Just unjoin one sheet from the solid which you want to use as a target. So in this case, the leaf, select one sheet of the leaf, let's say this one, unjoin it, Alt J, and look what happens here. We are creating sheets. Let me hide the one which I have unjoined. And now here is a hole, and you can run the difference boolean on this sheet. So let's try. Select the sheet, press Q, then select again the solid, the pipe, as a cutter. Press OK. And here you can see that we don't have any surfaces which we have first to delete before starting the lofting. Think about a very complex situation. This will save you a lot of time. So now let's bring back the sheet which we had unjoined. Select both sheets, join them, and now you can start loft right away without going through the hassle of deleting all the surfaces which were created through the difference boolean. I hope that makes sense. Maybe in this case it doesn't look that significant, but like I said, think about a quite complex situation where you have to run the fillet manually with this piping technique, which is tedious enough. Then this thing which I showed you with first creating a sheet out of a solid will save you a lot of time. Peace!